Hi, welcome to Brainweaver's E-Trade Retail Management System. In today's session, we will discuss about the remaining report tools that are available in Brainweaver's E-Trade Retail Management System. All the reporting tools are grouped under the reports menu. When we move around these submenus, we can see the various reporting tools that are available here. Many of the reporting tools we have discussed in the previous sessions, and today we will discuss about the income and expense monthly summary report. By entering or giving a specific date range, for example, I am giving 1st January 2022 and 31st December 2022. It means I want to know the monthly breakup of all the income and expense statement during the period 1st January 2022 to 31st December 2022. To execute this report, click on the Go button. In this statement or in this comparative statement, we can see all the income and expense incurred during a specific period of time in the basis of month-wise breakup. All the ledger accounts we can see in the left side, and all the ledger accounts are grouped under the group name, and on the right side against each ledger account what is the debit total amount and credit total amount incurred during a specific period of time based on against this bill, what is the commission status, that is whether this commission amount earned by this specific user is paid or unpaid. If it is paid, against which voucher number we have paid or settled this commission to this salesman. All such information we can see in this report. Here we can see there are few salesmen is displayed in this report, and against each salesman name is also displayed. If you want to filter the commission details pertaining to a specific salesman, we can filter it by selecting the salesman by clicking this search button. We can specify the salesman code here, and by pressing the show button the search criteria can be executed. For example, here we can see bill number 129. The salesman involved is Mr. Shibin, and also bill number 445, 565, 625. The salesman is Shibin. If I want to filter, or if I want to see only those commission details where the salesman is Shibin, here we can see the Shibin's salesman code is 4. Click on the search button, and under the salesman code enter the Shibin's salesman code and click on the show button. So system will filter only those commission details where the salesman belongs to Shibin. So in this report we can see the total commission earned by Shibin is 7,270, and the total sales amount handled by Shibin is 72,700, and the total amount received from the customer is 72,700. So all the sales Mr. Shibin has attended was on cash basis. And as per the salesman commission, we have agreed the total salesman commission earned by the salesman Shibin is 7,270, and the commission status is unpaid. In Brainweaver, E-Trade Retail Management System allows to select multi-salesmen in a single bill. For example, suppose there are different departments in our store. Considering our store is handling textile products or garments products, if there are different departments like men's, girls, ladies, and each department there are separate salesmen. If a customer has visited our store to purchase something, he has purchased different products from different department. In such cases, there may be more salesmen involved in the same sales invoice. In such case, while making the sales invoice, there is an option to choose different salesmen in a same sales invoice. In such cases, If you want to generate the commission details of all the invoices where multiple salesmen are involved, such reports can be generated by giving the date range. For example, 1st November 2022 to 20th March 2023. If I want to know all the salesman commission details based on multiple salesmen, click on this multi salesman button. After entering the date range, click on this multi salesman button. Here we can see under the bill number 640, two salesmen are involved. One is salesman Meenakshi, another one is salesman Mithun. Similarly, under the bill number 671, there are two salesmen are involved. One is Shibin and another one is Prasad. So total how much commission is earned is 749, and the total sales amount is 17,080. So in this way, we can generate the report of commission statement based on multiple salesmen. In this report, we can only identify in which invoices different or multi salesmen are involved. Such information only we can generate using this report. If I want to know, for example, in this list, invoice number 640, there is a salesman called Meenakshi. Again, another bill number 632, Meenakshi is also involved in that sales invoice. Again, there are few more invoices, the same salesman is involved. If I want to know salesman wise multiple salesman commission details, click on this multi-group salesman button. Here we can see all these bills or sales, multiple salesmen are involved, and in this statement, this multiple salesman commission details are grouped under salesman wise. For example, salesman Prasad is earned 192 rupees, and the bills or sales invoices is involved is 671 and 639. So using this statement, we can easily identify salesman Prasad, how much commission he has earned during this period 1st November 2022 to 20th March 2023. Another salesman, Shibin, these are the invoices or sales he is involved in, and the total commission he has earned is so and so. So salesman wise summary of multiple salesman commission details can be generated using this multi salesman group wise commission details report. So if you want to generate a report of multi-salesman commission details at the end of each month, by giving the date range and clicking the multi-salesman group-wise commission report, we can generate a report about individual salesman-wise commission details, where we can see how much commission is earned by all the salesmen individually. For example, here we can see during this period the total commission payable is 749, or the total commission earned by all the salesmen are 749, and how this 749 is constituted, or what are the breakup of this 749. In the top side we can see, and out of 749, 104 is earned by Rajendra, 14 is earned by Deepa, and 202 is earned by Meenakshi. Such breakup can be available with the help of this multi-salesman commission report. In this report, we can see only net amount of the each sales bill. What are the items we have sold against this each bill is not displayed in this report. If you want to know the salesman commission as well as what are the items are sold against each sales bill, by clicking this drill down button, here we can see the name of the salesman. At the same time, whenever you put cursor on a specific bill number, in the bottom side we can see under this bill what are the items he has sold. So the bill as well as the breakup of the or line item details of the bill, or otherwise what are the items he has sold against each bill, such information we can see using this drill down report. From this list, if you want to filter all the sales bill information relative to a specific salesman, by selecting this or clicking this salesman button, we can choose a specific salesman and filter all the sales bill information relating to the salesman we are choosing from this list. Similar way, from this sales invoices, if you want to filter the sales invoices relating to a specific customer, by clicking the search button and clicking on this customer button, system will generate only those sales information pertaining to and the net amount as well as the commission he has earned. All such information we can see in this report. This report is very useful for checking the efficiency of the salesman also. For example, depend upon the nature of the business. Suppose your company is dealing ready-made garments, there may be different salesmen inside the shop. From this report, we can understand which salesmen are not interacting with the customers, or which salesmen are interacting more with the customers. Such information we can generate using or compare such information using this report. Here we can see the first salesman Biju Anthony, he has only attended one customer, and here shipping has attended. Generate the report during a specific period of time. For example, 1st January 2023 to 20th March 2023. If I want to generate or filter all the purchase register details relating to the date or between the date 1st January to 20th March 2023, after entering the date range, click on the Go button. Here we can see these are the total purchases we have made during the period January to March 2023. From which customer, what is the supplier bill number, taxable net amount, GST information. All such information we can see using this report. By clicking this print button, we can generate a summary report. This report can be there are 67 sales we have made during the period 1st January to 20th March. Time, what is the profit percentage of the profit we have earned? All such information we can see using this profit on sales report. It means during the period 1st January 2023 to 20th March, the total sales amount is 4,17,675. When we sold this 4.17 lakh worth goods, we have generated a profit of 69,805, and the total discount we have given to the customer is 460. The total cost amount is 3.47 lakh. All such information, profit information, cost information, discount information, profit percentage, and individual profit amount, all such information we can generate using this report. Another report is purchase return register. This report display all the information about how much purchase returns we have made as of today. If you want to filter the purchase return information relating to a specific period of time, as usual, by giving the date range and clicking the go button, you can filter purchase return details relating to a specific period of time. And if you want to take the printout of the any specific purchase return as debit note, by putting the cursor on a specific purchase return entry and by clicking this debit note button, we can generate a debit note. At the time of returning goods to the supplier, we can attach this debit note along with the dispatch of the material to the supplier, and the supplier will issue us the corresponding credit note for the purchase return goods we are dispatching to the supplier. And by giving the date range, for example 1st January 2022 to 20th March 2023. By clicking this summary button, we can generate during this period how much purchase return we have made, to which suppliers we have returned back the goods, and what are the items, and how much is the total return value. All such information we can see using this purchase return detailed summary. A similar way, by clicking this print button, we can get a brief summary of all the purchase return we have made during this specific period of time. So from this report, we can easily understand during this specific period of time, we have returned or we have generated different purchase returns to different suppliers, and the total purchase return amount is 133,790. And in this report, we can see on which date we have returned the goods, or in which date we have posted this purchase return entry, the purchase return voucher number, against which supplier bill number we are returning these goods. All such information we can see in this report. Similar like purchase return, we can also filter all the sales return information in this report by giving the date range. If you want to take the printout of all the sales return related to a specific month, specific year, by entering the date criteria you want to filter, and by pressing this go button, you can execute the search criteria and filter all the sales return information as per your requirement. So the other reporting tools we will discuss in the coming session. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.